This Thanksgiving, don't forget to include this ultimate flavor bursting sweet potato recipe on your dinner table. This is so quick and easy that you can put together a big serving in hardly few minutes. So for this, I have taken 250 grams or around 9 ounces of sweet potato. Now, the very first step is to boil them. Well, you can also bake them, but the research says that if you want to get all the maximum health benefits, then boiling the sweet potatoes is the best method because by boiling them, you retain all the nutrients as well as the glycemic index of the sweet potatoes doesn't rise up high, hence making them safer even for the people who are losing weight or are diabetic. So here I have nicely boiled all the sweet potatoes. I did in my pressure cooker. You can do however you want. Then simply peel them off and cut them into chunks like this. Then dump all the sweet potato chunks in a big bowl or any large vessel. And now start adding some ingredients over it. Add half teaspoon salt or as per your taste. Then 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of mint, cilantro or coriander chutney. Well, I have already made a separate video of this chutney. I'll give the link in the description. Please do check it out. Then half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon chaat masala, 2 teaspoons of tamarind chutney. I'll also provide the link of this tamarind chutney in the description box below. In fact, do you know you can make both these chutneys beforehand and store it in your fridge? It lasts for at least 4 to 5 days. Then comes handful of chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. And that's it guys, you don't need to do anything else. Just toss everything together and serve it right away. I can't tell you in words guys how amazing this super simple and easy recipe comes out to be. So do try it out and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.